Welcome to Anubhav. So today we have with us the Gen Sec of Students Welfare Board, Ujjwal Chhajjar.
Hello everyone.
So maybe my first question to you would be, what were the challenges that you faced as the Gen Sec of Welfare Board and how did you tackle them?
So yeah, इसकी कहानी बहुत even starting from my tenure only, it was a most challenging tenure क्योंकि unfortunately we did not have any बना बनाया base last year तक, ठीक है? So everything was at scratch, ठीक है? I have worked with Ankit Bhaiya, who was the General Secretary of Welfare Board last year. तो उनके साथ काम किया हुआ था, but last year कुछ नहीं था, so हर club को revive करना, पूरे board को revive करना was the first challenge that I faced, ठीक है? So वही है, उसके लिए how I overcome it. सबसे पहले I chose the main board members, ठीक है? Which includes the overall coordinator, the events head, the marketing head, the girl representative, and then as a step by step, after making the core team, then I started going to the clubs, opted the club secretary. Now the problem was कि क्योंकि एक साल का पूरा gap आ गया था, so no one was aware कि कौन सा club क्या काम करता है. So sensitizing them, sensitizing the students, and come up to take the responsibility, be the secretary and make the team. That was the first challenge that I have to face. Other was again the budget वाला part कि starting में every general secretary has to submit their budget कि कितना expense होने वाला है in the tenure या पूरा event map, पूरा event plan. तो वो चीज़ भी again वो था कि of course Ankit Bhaiya was there, he was helping me, है ना? But हाँ, starting वाला part was the challenge. Now talking to the role of the welfare Gen Sec, each day is a challenge for you क्योंकि you never know what comes up next. ठीक है, you are looking for the well-being of around 8,000 students. तो कौन किस दिन किस state of mind में है, कौन किस दिन किसका कैसा well-being है, ठीक है? You never know. So every day is a challenge. तुम अगर उस चीज़ को अपने दिमाग में लेते हो, and again there are multiple cases, ठीक है? There are multiple students those who are struggling even in their daily life. So to look after them, to have a follow-up, to take a follow-up. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. So every day is a challenge. But हाँ, the major challenge was the starting. Then the protest वाला part, ठीक है? Which was a first-hand experience for each and every executive, I would say. So that was one of the challenge for us कि how to handle the situation and how to handle the students there, how to handle their sentiments, how to raise up their voice. So these were the challenges. And again for the second challenge, you won't believe, but we talked to our old executives, like we have talked to Sarthak, we have talked to all the VPs and welfare secretaries, those who were there 3 to 4 years back, just to take their insights, ki what we have to do next, what we should do. So yeah, these were some major challenges that I am facing, that I have faced as the General Secretary of Welfare.
So my next question would be, was there a moment when you felt completely overwhelmed and how did you overcome it?
So वैसे तो I would say कि multiple moments रहे हैं, but again I would emphasize on one of the most overwhelming situation in the tenure was again the protest वाला time, ठीक है? जहाँ पे because उसके अलावा जो चीज़ें होती हैं, उसके अलावा जो well-being handle करने वाला part होता है, वहाँ पे you have a support system, ठीक है? वहाँ पे you have the counselors, you have the welfare secretaries, events कराने के लिए you have the club secretaries और you have the events head. तो हर चीज़ एक प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग चलती है. ओवरवेल्म हम तब होते हैं जब हमारे पास कोई प्लान नहीं होता. तो दैट वाज द सिचुएशन प्रोटेस्ट के टाइम पे. सो हाउ डिड आई टेक हेल्प अगेन विद द, ठीक है, मैं रोज रात को फॉर द 2 days, फॉर द 3 days ऑफ द प्रोटेस्ट आई यूज्ड टू सिट विद माय फ्रेंड्स, क्लोज फ्रेंड सर्कल. आई यूज्ड टू डिस्कस द सिचुएशन एंड हाउ इज मतलब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साइड से हाउ इज द रिस्पॉन्स कमिंग. देन अगेन फिर पूरे दिन में, ठीक है, व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू गेट टाइम, आई यूज्ड टू टॉक टू माय predecessors, I used to talk to my previous welfare secretaries. So that's how, yeah, again, the public opinion is what helps you the most in your overwhelming time, I would say. So हमेशा take the public opinion, be it your friends, seniors or juniors. अगर उनके साथ loop में रहोगे, then you'll get a clarity, and once you get the clarity, this overwhelming part you can overcome.
So what's a common misconception about this role that a lot of people don't realize until they take up this role?
Yeah. So the major misconception I would say कि लोगों को ये I don't know कि कितने लोग ऐसा सोच रहे हैं, but again welfare वाला जो काम है is not something that you can expect to see on a much larger scale. ठीक है, of course अब मैं जैसे बताऊँ कि let's say take an example of tech board या take an example of cultural board, they have such competitions वहाँ पे जहाँ पे you know the team can participate, they can you know bag medals and then of course एक बड़े level पे चीज़ें होती है. But जो welfare वाला काम है, the misconception is कि तुम्हें बहुत माइक्रो लेवल पे जाके चीज़ें हैंडल करनी है, बहुत माइक्रो लेवल पे जाके चीज़ें मैनेज करनी है. ठीक है, इवन इफ देयर इज अ सिंगल स्टूडेंट जिसको इट इज टेकिंग अ वीक और अ मंथ, यू हैव टू गिव देम so that they can come back to their normal well-being या normal mental health. and वो चीज़ शायद एक बहुत बड़ी misconception है. and उसके अलावा तो I would say कि हाँ, लोगों हो सकता है कि ये एक I don't know how much it is relevant into the student body, but welfare वाला काम जो है, when I started to look into the position, ठीक है, I used to take a lot of help from only PhDs people क्योंकि they have a holistic point of view related to students या related to the well-being. So it's not confined just to the counseling वाला part या it's not just defined to the mental well-being वाला part. Welfare is connected to each and every aspect of students' life, be it their academics, be it their financial problems या be it their convenience. ठीक है, you cannot say, even I think the students will be relating कि अभी there is current water problem going on. So again, it's related to the hostels, but it also comes under the domain या under the purview of welfare. ठीक है, basic welfare, healthy drinking water. ठीक है, so we have to look after those things कि उसका execution या उस पे काम कैसे चल रहा है. ठीक है, we have to fasten up the process. जो भी अब of course हम तो कर नहीं सकते काम, but जो कर रहे हैं वो उस काम का हम pace up करा सकते हैं. So this is the misconception कि it's just about the mental well-being या it's just about the counseling वाला part. There is a lot more you can come up when you think for the welfare. ठीक है, we have taken a lot of new initiatives under different clubs. ठीक है, you can look out for our career cafe series, which solely focuses on the internship and placement experience that the student have. तो वही है, जितना broader तुम अपना vision रखोगे welfare को लेके, you can connect the welfare वाला point to each and every aspect. So there are a lot of things to cover. There are a lot of area to grow upon. So this is a little misconception that I want to clear कि बहुत बड़ा डोमेन है, ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत कम काम है.
So what are some suggestions that you would like to give someone contesting for this position?
So I think some of the major suggestions would be कि always accept the constructive criticism. ठीक है, and of course your friends would be there who would be playing a major role in your whole tenure. ठीक है, वही होते हैं जो तुम्हें एक थर्ड पर्सन POV देते हैं कि कौन सी चीज़ें सही नहीं जा रही है, कौन सी चीज़ें गलत जा रही है. ठीक है, टेक देयर क्रिटिसिज्म इनटू कंसिडरेशन. ठीक है, और फिर चीज़ें इम्प्रोवाइज करो. इन माई केस आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स जिन्होंने दे हेल्प मी थ्रू आउट द टेन्योर. ठीक है, बाय पुशिंग माई लिमिट्स या बाय गिविंग मी सम न्यू विजन टू वर्क अपॉन. So yeah, this is one of the suggestion, and the other suggestion which is focused entirely related to the PR. This PR is तुम्हें बहुत माइक्रो लेवल चीज़ें मैनेज करनी है. ठीक है, हो सकता है कि तुम्हें और ऑलवेज बी रेडी, बी विजिलेंट 24/7 पॉसिबल हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि कभी भी कॉल आ सकता है. ठीक है, देयर इज नो वेलफेयर टाइम एज सच. ठीक है, यू हैव टू रन विथ योर टीम या यू हैव टू रन with one of your friends to कोई भी केस या कोई भी सिचुएशन हैंडल करने, स्टूडेंट को हैंडल करने. सो बी रेडी फॉर इट. ठीक है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम टेलिंग यू कि दिस ऑल थिंग्स विल गिव यू अ फीलिंग ऑफ कंटेंट आफ्टर even after helping one student from moving on with his life. ठीक है, with the problems that he has in life or that she has in life, तुम्हें कंटेंट फील होगा, and that is the most precious feeling that this PR can give you. So yeah, this is one of the suggestions that I would like to give.
Thank you so much, Priya.
All the best for the contestant, those who will be contesting for this position.